Hi everyone and welcome. The Nothing Phone 2 is a highly anticipated sequel to Nothing Phone 1, which was released in 2022. The Nothing Phone 1 was known for its unique design and features, but it had some performance issues. According to Android Authority, the mobile phone came with criticisms on its price. However, after a series of price cuts, the market slowly accepted the price of Nothing Phone 1. Furthermore, over time the company released several bug fixes that significantly improved the phone's performance since its initial launch. According to the company, the Nothing Phone 2 will be a better device and it will tackle the issues that the previous generation had at launch. So in this video we will go through the launch date, price, design, specifications and much more. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, do it right away. First things first, we'll talk about the release date and the launch event. The launch event for the Nothing Phone 2 will take place on the 11th July 2023. The global launch event will be live streamed on that day at 11 AM. Nothing has officially confirmed the launch date, and it also announced that the phone will get 3 years of software support and another year of security updates. Now let's jump into design. The Nothing Phone 2 will be the second mobile phone from the company Nothing. Furthermore, there is a rumor that aluminum chassis might be made use. Based on a teaser video released by Nothing, it appears that the Phone 2 will have a similar transparent back design, along with some rounder edges. Now let's talk about the specifications. While we expect more details of the phone in the coming weeks, here is what we know so far. We can expect the Nothing Phone 2 to come with a 120Hz adaptive AMOLED display, and moreover, Nothing Phone 2 will be powered by a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, and you can expect it to come with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. But in terms of performance, this device will likely lag behind flagship phones that come with the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 has more power than the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 that the Nothing Phone will be using. However, this device should have a better performance than its previous generation. The new device will have an increased focus on recycled and bio-based materials. The Phone 2 is expected to have a longer battery life than the Phone 1, which had a short battery life. Under the hood, there will be a 4700 mAh battery to keep its lights. At the moment, there is no official information on the display size and the camera of this device. So this brings us to software. On the software end, the Nothing Phone will run on Nothing OS. This system is designed to be more minimalist. Nothing has more people working on the software side than ever. We're hoping that the Nothing Phone 2 finally rises up to the expectations with the UI worth talking about. And now, let's talk about the price. This device is expected to be priced higher than the Nothing Phone 1, which starts at $500. It's expected to be in the budget flagship category. Talking about availability, the mobile phone will be available globally. It will be available in the United States. So, the Nothing Phone 2 should be a decent phone that aims to address the performance issues of the Phone 1. It should complete the fully fledged flagship phones in the market. The Phone 2 will have a similar transparent back design to the Phone 1, but with some rounder edges. This device is expected to have better performance and longer battery life. It will also have an increased focus on recycled and bio-based materials. The Phone 2 will be launched globally on 11th of July 2023, and it will retail for $600 or even less. While the Phone 1 had some faults, it is still pretty attractive, especially after the price cuts. We expect the Phone 2 to be an even better phone. So with this, we wrap up this video. I hope you've liked it. Subscribe my channel for more. Give this video a big like if you've liked this. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you next time.